So we start off our first DIY. Now this one is pretty simple. She is going to be doing a candle holder here. So she took the old wax from the candles that she bought and then she's melting it. This is a very simple, easy way to make your own candle. She has the wick here, just kind of placing it how she likes it with inside of the bowl. Adding in some essential oils, kind of making her own kind of fragrance here. I love that idea. And there you go. She took like a boring candle and a bowl and made a very aesthetically pleasing candle holder or candle bowl. I love this idea. Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be checking out some popular and stylish home decor ideas that you can DIY this season. So here we have one of my favorite looks, and that is a gold bowl. So she's doing two different sizes here for this one. And for all of you that are already subscribed to the channel, you know my obsession for gold. So this is definitely one I'm probably going to be keen to. So she glues the two sized bowls together. Flips it over. I love how this is black and gold too. So she simply put some candles here. Very pretty. Another like candle holder inspired DIY. And then we move on to DIY number 3. This one involves some popsicle sticks. So a lot of these projects within today's video are definitely beginner friendly. Looks like they're layering the sticks in like a hexagon shape. Now most of the time when I see this design, it is of like the little shelving that people put on the wall. Okay, yeah, that's exactly what she did with it. So yeah, this is a very popular DIY, and you can do like 3 of them, stack them up, make a design. Very cute way to make your own shelves. So then we have a water bottle. Now this is a great way to do some recycling, or what do they call it? Upcycling, I think it is. I forget the term. I think it's upcycle. I feel like that's right. So they also have some clay here. Doing some molding. Oh, I know what they're making. I was just gonna say, like, it looked like they were making some cheeks. So yeah, they're doing that very popular cheek aesthetic. mixing some paints together to go over it. This is a cool idea. I think it would be like a nice little fun like weekend project. And they did kind of like a nice terracotta color. Wow, that came out great. Look at the sheen on that bad boy. Ooh, very nice. I really like the fact that they use a terracotta color, because usually when I see this, it's done in ivory. So it's nice to see a nice different like color being used. So next up, we have some type of canvas here. It's like they're creating their own artwork piece. This is also like a nice little fun weekend project. I feel like it would just be like so relaxing. Especially if you're new to the world of DIY, like just get out of your comfort zone, do something new. So they're creating a pattern here. I feel like this design is making me want to like take a relaxing art class. I don't know. It's just something about it that's just so soothing. So there is the final piece. Ooh. And if you wanted to, you could actually paint over the design with a different color. But I kind of like the fact that it's all ivory. Ivories and neutral colors are very in when it comes to home decor. She did 3 different canvas ideas here. Very cool. And then we have our last DIY. So this one is kind of reminding me of the toothpicks that we saw earlier. Oh, wow. So it looks like they're using like little wooden circles at the bottom, I believe. Oh, they're doing it on the sides too. Oh, wow. Oh, this is one of the prettiest candle holders I've seen. I like the fact that they left one section see-through so you can see right into it and see the wood. That is a beautiful piece. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed all of these DIY project ideas and my reactions to them. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.